Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Oriana Valderrama and I'm Venezuelan. I live here in Dallas, Texas. If you have seen my videos before, welcome back. If you have never been here, then welcome to my channel. Sometimes I do Spanish videos and English videos, but this one is gonna be an English video. I might throw some curse words in Spanish, but that's okay because today I'm packing and that's stressful. For some people, I think I kind of like it. Some people hate it, but to me, it's like, it's fun. Now, today is gonna be an extra challenge because I am going to Europe for 2 weeks. And if you wanna know another thing about me is that to me, if I can get away with putting all of my things when traveling in one single bag that I can just put in over my shoulder, then I will do it. Some people might call me crazy for trying to do this, and I understand that. Really, I do. But essentially today, we're going to try to pack 10 days in a carry-on and a duffel bag. So today we're gonna be doing 2 things. The first one is packing, of course, and you're gonna see all my process, all of the things that I bought to make this happen. And the other thing is that I'm gonna be also reviewing the vase carry-on and a weekender vase dupe that I bought from Amazon. Okay, here we go. I have here the box where first, here's the weekender. Here it is. I know that it's about like this space and this storage, but I cannot stop looking at how beautiful it is. It's so nice. The cream color is everything. I would recommend not even look at the other colors because this color to me is the winner. But let's look inside because that's what actually matters, guys. Come on. Now let's check out the weekender dupe that I bought from Amazon. I'm so scared. Please be nice, please be nice. Guys, this is the material. This is so nice. It literally is like they came together. Look at that. Okay, I think the bags passed the bag check. I think more than passed. Literally are teaching the course now. And now it's the hardest part, which is the actual packing. The first thing I do is essentially try a lot of things. I've literally tried all of these things and I think I've decided essentially what my day outfits are gonna be, but now I'm gonna choose my night outfits and then I'm gonna start putting everything in compartments. and then in the suitcase. So let's see how that turns out.